Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're going to learn something very important, how to understand and analyze a short story easily. Now let me ask you something. Have you ever read a short story completely, understood the events, but still felt confused and thought, what was the actual point of this story? If yes, don't worry, that's completely normal. Most students face this problem. So in this lesson, I will show you a very simple method to analyze any short story step by step. Just like a professor, but in easy language. A short story is not just random events. Usually, it focuses on one important moment in a character's life, but that moment has a deep meaning. Let's take a simple example. Imagine a man misses a train by just 30 seconds. A normal reader will say, okay, he missed the train. But a good reader asks deeper questions. Why did he miss it? Was it an accident or on purpose? What does the train represent? Maybe an opportunity? Escape? A dream? This is the key difference. Not just what happened, but what it means. Epiphany, a very important concept. In many stories, there is a moment when the character suddenly realizes something important. This is called an epiphany, a moment of understanding. A moment when everything becomes clear. If you find this moment, you can understand the whole story much better. It's like everything finally makes sense. Find the epiphany and you understand the story. Now, the 6 basic elements of a short story. Let's go one by one. Plot means the sequence of events. Every story has a beginning, middle, and ending. But the most important part is the climax, the turning point. Ask yourself, what happens at the climax? What changes after it? Is the ending happy, sad, or unclear? Point of view means who is telling the story. If the narrator says I, it's first person. If it says he or she, it's third person. Now ask, can we trust the narrator? Sometimes the narrator is confused, biased, or unreliable. Focus on the main character, the protagonist. Ask, does the character change? Do they learn something? Do they realize a truth? Setting is not just background. It often shows feelings or mood. For example, and this quiet room suggests peace and loneliness. Ask, why did the writer choose this setting? A symbol means something represents a bigger idea. Broken watch, rain, locked door, each has deeper meaning. Always ask, what does this object really mean? This is the most important part. Theme is the message about life. Theme is not one word, it is a full sentence. Examples: true love requires sacrifice. Money cannot buy happiness. Dreams can sometimes destroy people. These 6 elements will help you understand any short story deeply. Now the easy 5-step method. Follow these steps. Step 1. Read the story once. Just enjoy it. Step 2. Read again. Underline important parts. Step 3. Look for patterns. Repeated words, images, ideas. Step 4. Write your main idea. Step 5. Use point, example, explanation. Say your idea, give an example, and explain it. This is a simple story about a poor couple, Della and Jim.
They both sell their most valuable things to buy gifts for each other.
Della sells her hair to buy a chain for Jim's watch.
Jim sells his watch to buy combs for Della's hair.
The gifts become useless, but their love becomes stronger. So what do we learn? Symbolism. Their sacrifice shows love. Both are selfless. Theme. True love is more important than money. Now you try. Pick any short story and ask these questions. What changes at the climax? What is repeated? What is symbolic? What is the main message? If you can answer these questions, you are already thinking like a literature expert. Write the name of any short story and one idea you understood from it. If you liked the video, please subscribe and share.